Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Spec Smart Shell for the 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is for the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020 model. Now I've used these sort of cases and covers for my laptops for many years from various manufacturers, but this particular one from Spec has really got me impressed for a couple of reasons. One main reason, which I'll come on to very shortly. Just a quick look at the packaging now. It says protects against scratches and bumps. It's slim and lightweight. It's got non-slip rubberized feet. And if we take a look around the back, it just tells you about having scratch resistant material, durable clips to ensure a secure hold, full port access and ventilation. And it also gives you a little diagram here with a tick next to the compatible model. Also, there is a hologram on the box, so you can be sure you've got a real Spec product. Now it comes in various colours. I've got the sort of smoky grey or space grey colour here, and I've also got already installed on my MacBook Pro the clear sort of frosted version. We'll come back to this in a short while. So inside the box you'll get a top section which has got Spec branding just in the corner here, and this has got little tiny clips all the way round. So this portion is what's going to go on the lid or the back of your screen, and this piece here covers the back hinge. I'll show you that when it's on the laptop. That's one of the bits that really impresses me, because normally that isn't covered on competitors' products. Then we get some packaging also inside the box, and then we get the bottom portion which is going to protect the sides and also the bottom of your laptop. It's really neat. It's got a cutout for the opening part on your MacBook Pro. It's got cutouts of course for the ports, and these rubberized feet as well. If we take a look from the bottom, you can see we've got ventilation holes and also really nice rubberized feet. So that's going to really keep your laptop protected and also raised up from the table or surface you're putting it on. It's also going to stop the table or surface getting scratched as well, because you've got those really nice rubberized feet. It's super easy to install, 2 to 3 minutes. The features that really impressed me on this compared to other manufacturers' products, not all, just some that I've tried, is I don't like fingerprints, and this is a really nice design. It's got a slight texture to it, but it doesn't pick up fingerprints. I've been using this for 2 to 3 weeks now, and look at this, it looks like brand new. I really do like it. You can see the Spec branding a little bit better there, very subtle. We've got the Apple logo showing through. I mentioned also on that bottom section there is a cutout, and this allows you to obviously get your finger in there or thumb and open your laptop very easily. So that's really nice. This top section clips on to the back of the screen very nicely as well. And I also mentioned another feature that I really like is that this portion here actually covers the hinge. On other cases that I've had, this isn't covered, this is left open. We've got a little bit of exposed material here, but the corners, the important parts, are protected. If we take a look on this edge here, you can see we've got those ventilation holes along this side, and we've also got a cutout here which is large enough for that 3.5mm audio jack. Would have liked to have seen that extended up a little bit just to cover a little bit more of that side, but it's fine. And of course the corners and the whole front is protected. And then if we go round onto this side, we've got more ventilation holes just on the underside here, these extra ventilation holes. We've of course got cutouts for the 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Then if we take a quick look on the bottom, we have of course got the rubberized feet on the bottom, and you can see those ventilation holes a little bit better. It all works extremely well and keeps your laptop scratch free and fingerprint free and just in much better condition. So that is it for my review. This is the Spec Smart Shell for the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020 model. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. There's also a link down there to the Spec website, so please do check that out as well. And I'll see you in another video very soon.